Hey y'all, McBee's Compass here. We wanted to share a new segment. We call it The Must Do's. Here's a must do in Epcot called Journey of Water, inspired by Moana. Check it out. The Journey of Water is an interactive experience for kids and the young at heart. As we approach the first location, wave your hands over the strings of water. Let's listen to the sounds.
Actually feels really good right now.
At the second location, you stand on a pad and wave your hands in front of the water. Let's watch and see how the water reacts. And here's one of my favorite locations. The water will rise to your command when you stand on a marked pad. Put your hand out, raise it up, and let's watch the water rise. As we enter the next location, the water will part ways for you. And here comes the grand finale. Wave those hands up in the air. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.